How to turn active off on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn active off on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to turn off your active status on Instagram, it's actually quite simple to do so. Go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here, and then make sure that you're signed in. Then just come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen to your profile page. Now just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side and then just go to settings. When you go to settings over here, you'll find this option over here known as privacy. Just go to privacy, and if you scroll under privacy, you'll find the option called activated status. Just make sure to select that. And here you can see currently these toggles are turned on, so in order to turn your active off, you just have to make sure to turn off these toggles and the active status will get successfully turned off. This way you'll be able to turn your active off on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.